Maybe might be possibly starting to get into running. It's an unpopular opinion. Just wanna be someone. Can we believe I'm about to go for a run? Morning, happy Monday. I was going to go on a beach walk this morning, but it is raining and I've just dropped Rowan off at work because obviously we don't want him riding in the rain on his bike. I'm just going to go home, sit and edit for 8 hours and that's going to be my day. Lunch obsession is avo toast with feta, and then I drizzle some of this balsamic vinegar of Medina on, and it is just the best lunch. I don't know if I'll ever get sick of it. My shift. I've just come for a little beach walk before I pick up Rowan because he didn't ride his bike the other day because it was raining, the whole thing. But yeah, I just have my little Oreo milkshake, walking by the beach, and I just love my life right now. Honestly, it does not get much better than this. It's Thursday. I feel like I haven't spoken all week. I don't know, I just feel like I don't have anything interesting to say. But I'm about to go out to the shops and get some new runners because these ones have been with me for years and I can feel every single rock when I step on them. And I think Rowan and I might be possibly starting to get into running. Maybe. I've never been much of a runner. I'm not sure that I'll be able to keep up because Rowan used to run quite a bit around our old neighbourhood when we used to live in Canberra. And today currently is August 1st. And so we're starting our whole new budget today. We've got a proper spreadsheet on our laptop and we're just gonna really focus on that. And we're also gonna start running and walking the dogs consistently. I don't know what it is about the first of a month. It just makes you wanna get your life together, I guess. Maybe because like Christmas is coming up and we want to just have a proper routine. I don't know what the reasoning is, but we just decided that, yeah, August 1st, we're going to start all these new things. So I'm going to go out and get myself a pair of running shoes. I'm torn whether to wear like lace up shoes to go to try on runners because like I'm wearing, I don't know, leggings and a t-shirt, but I don't really want to wear slides. But yeah, it's just going to be so annoying to have to take these off every single time I try on a pair of shoes from a different store. But yeah, I have had nothing interesting to say all week. Nothing has really happened. I've worked a little bit more than usual. Yeah, I guess it's just one of those weeks that is just boring. Just really boring. We've got Ziggy here playing with his little mango. Cosmo not wanting me to leave. Hello, hi. Oh, thank you. Thank you so much. This is my riveting Thursday morning. I've been really into listening to the Bleachers and the Vault tracks from 1998. Sorry, can I speak? From 1989 Taylor's version. My go-to song when I get in the car is Roller Coaster by Bleachers. I don't know, I just think it's such a cool song. I think Jack Antonoff, Taylor's like other songwriter, is in this band. I think, I'm not sure. I feel like this is just such an uplifting song and I love it. Alright, let's see if we can find some shoes. I was going to film while I'm in there, but I'm still so scared to film in public, so I'm back in my car. I got a pair of shoes, but Spenless shoes didn't have any, which I was hoping did. Athlete's foot, bit too expensive for a new little hobby, because if I stick with it then I'll get like a proper good expensive pair of shoes. But I just got some from Kmart, so probably not the best quality, but I've only ever had like thin runners and I thought this time I'd go chunky, so I don't know, quite cute. And they're only 25 bucks, so if this hobby doesn't last then not too much money wasted, you know? I have a track record of buying every single type of supply I need for a hobby and then sticking with it for maybe like a month and then just completely forgetting about it. So hopefully this will be different because running would be a good thing to stick with, but we'll see. I got some long socks to go with it and I also saw this in the fitness section, which I mean, I love doing sit-ups, right? Sit-ups are probably one of my favorite exercises. Like, it's an unpopular opinion, but I love working out abs, like the feeling of like my stomach being really like strong. I really just like that feeling. And every time I go to do sit-ups, I always have to find something to put my feet under. And I saw this little sit-up bar and I'm like, oh my God, that's perfect. And it was quite cheap as well. It might be a little thing that I never use, but I mean, I just think it's perfect. So yeah, I got that too. Not a very interesting shop. So I've just come home and I was just looking for a little snack in the fridge, something to just tie me over till lunch because it's about an hour. And I saw that I bought this when I was sick and I haven't tried it yet and it's about to go off. So I think I'll try it today. It's chicken bone broth and it was cold. Like it was already like mixed up and cold when I bought it. So see how it tastes. Doesn't sound very appetizing. I hope I love it. Oh my God, there's a chunk on the lid. Look at that. Look at that, there's a chunk. That is a chunk of something. Oh my God. Cheers, I guess. That is one of the grossest things I've ever tasted. Oh my God. I'm so sad that I wasted my money on this. These are the shoes. They're a bit chunky. I don't mind them. And I got some long socks as well because I only have little socks. And I'm gonna try and wear them around a little bit today before I run, just so I can get used to the feel of them. I am loving them. Okay, can we believe I'm about to go for a run? A run. Gosh, this is not me. I don't know how I'm gonna go. I'm nervous. Oh, and there are always so many like experienced people running on this path. And Rowan's run before, but I haven't really run before, so oh, I'm nervous. I ran for like maybe 5 minutes straight on our trip at this place called Suggin Buggin in New South Wales. I still don't know if I'm saying that right. But yeah, that's like the furthest I've ever run. It was like 5 minutes in a row. Oh, I'm scared. I'm worried that I'm not gonna be able to keep up and I'm just gonna be stuck on the path by myself. Oh, anyway, it'll be good. It'll be fun. Hopefully. I'm not gonna want to stretch in public, so I guess I'll just, I don't even know how to stretch for running. Oh, I'm scared. I probably should have practiced this before I ran with Rowan. I like knowing that I know what to do. I'm starting to think maybe I don't want to run. I love the part about, you know, buying the shoes, and that's about it. That's the only part I think I'm gonna love about it. Oh, I need to leave now. Okay. I'll chat to you after and see how we went. Oh, wish me luck. I also got my Apple Watch out of hibernation, so I feel like I've got all the gear and no idea. Let's see what my heart rate is now. Normally when I'm nervous, hang on, let me plop you up on top of this. Normally when I'm nervous, my heart rate goes through the roof. I think when I'm sitting in waiting rooms, it's at like 95 beats per minute. Oh my God, look. Okay, so we're at 92. Oh, I'm stressed. Let's go. Okay, let's go. I'm nervous.
I just wanna be someone. I just wanna be someone. What doesn't everyone?
So I just finished my first run. If you can't tell, I've got little rosy cheeks. That was really, really hard. I don't know if I like running. Rowan says we're just going to jump straight into it every second day. We're going to do this run. 2 minutes of running with him. I took a minute break. He kept going because he's just better at it than I am. And then I ran for 2 minutes, walked for 1 minute, and then I just completely fell off because I don't know, I feel like I don't know how to breathe while running. Like I just run out of breath so quickly. That was hard. And considering how hot I got and it's the middle of winter, I don't know if I'm going to be able to run here in summer. Like I would actually faint on the footpath. Anyway, running diaries, day 1. It's the 1st of August and this is how I'm feeling. Not great. I'm back home after my first ever run. Hair probably not looking the best. That was really, really hard. It was a very hard run. Hopefully it gets easier. We're gonna maybe try and aim to go every second day. But yeah, I'm not feeling great about it right now. I feel like I can't breathe when I run, so it wasn't a very enjoyable time, but hopefully it gets better. Thank you so much for coming along with me this week. I know that this video is a little bit shorter, but this week has just been so uneventful. And really boring. I have nothing to share or show, like nothing of value this week. Anyway.
The dogs.
No, I'm talking to myself. What if I was talking to the dogs? Thank you so much again for watching my videos, and yeah, I will see you next week, hopefully with more interesting stuff to share. Bye!